Welcome to Halifax bus station. And yes, you are seeing right. It is totally fenced off, and there's a reason for it. This is the bus station that we have all been waiting to get opened, and it's sooner rather than later. So the new bus station has got a green roof, as you shall see. It's actually painted green, and it has vegetation, plants growing on top of the roof. And that's one of the niche things about it, because we are in an age where we are all conscious of climate change, and this new bus station has not been left behind. So let's have a walk around it. So across from the bus station, we got Broad Street Plaza, where we've got View Cinema, which you can see in front of us. The bus station is being built by Calderdale Council in partnership with Wilmot Dixon, the construction company, at a cost of £17.7 million. As you look through the fencing, you can see different bays where the buses will be able to stop, and passengers will board and disembark from the buses serving the passengers in and around Yorkshire. If you look closely, you'll be able to see vegetation on the roof, and that's the green roof.